Hey guys, welcome back to the third installment of how to set up a self-signed SSL certificate on IIS6 using OpenSSL on a Windows 2003 server. Okay, so in the first two installments, we covered pretty much how to install the OpenSSL toolkit on a Win2K3 server. And in the second installment, we covered how to use the OpenSSL toolkits to generate a self-signed certificate. And on a third and final installment of our trilogy here, we're going to import the self-signed certificate into IIS6. So to begin, go ahead and open up the IIS manager like we have open here. Okay. Now, before we start tooling around with the INET manager, go ahead and go back to the My Cert folder, the My SSL Cert folder, and go ahead and install or double click the CA-CRT file. Okay, and then click the Install Certificate button. Okay, and then follow the next wizard. Just go next here, and finish. And this will actually import the certificate authority we created in step number 2 into the local server certificate store. Okay, so now we're all set and ready to install the server certificate into IIS6. Okay, so to begin, go back up to the INET manager, right click on default website, go to properties, select the directory security tab. Okay, click on the server certificate button. Okay, click next. Now at this step you want to choose the option import a certificate from a PFX file. If you recall correctly in our step 2 that we actually converted from the default CRT format or the PEM format to a PFX file format, which is again a binary format that's kind of proprietary to Microsoft or specific to Microsoft. So let's go ahead and import that certificate into IIS. Okay, so go ahead and choose this option, click next, browse to the directory where we have our PFX file, select the server.pfx certificate and click open, then choose next. Okay, put in the magical password. Okay, click next, and if you want to change the port you can do so here. I'm going to leave it alone for now. And finally choose next, and there we have it. Okay, so let's go and give it a quick test drive. Alright, so I've created a default page called test.txt in the root of my default website. So if I go to HTTP here, you can see it says, you know, thanks OpenSSL, right? And there's no certificate in the status bar. So now let's change this to an S. Okay, click on OK, and voila, there's our browser certificate. Let's open that up and take a quick sneak peek, and there we go. So there you have it. There's our CA. This is our chain here, and the CA is chained to the certificate. So we are done. Okay, that concludes the three-part trilogy of how to set up a self-signed certificate on IIS6 using OpenSSL on a Windows 2003 server. Thank you all for joining me, and have a great day.